Okay, Peep, let's open Grandpa's
Come
present.
here, honey.
I need help. Can you go over there and help me?
Can you come open the box? Can you go open the box, Henry?
Pete, get down there.
Let's see what's inside, honey.
There's a box down there, buddy. You have to bring him around there because he's...
Come here, Ted. Come here, baby. Okay. Oh,
All right.
boy. It's a box.
This is from Grandpa.
Can you open it? Can you open the box? Pull that paper out. How about opening this? Open it. Ooh, that's good paper. We'll have to save some of that. That's great paper. Oh, Mommy got a little more? Can you open it? Open it this way, baby. Let's see.
Pull it open, buddy. You're doing good.
Pull it that way. Oh,
Keep pulling, buddy.
pull down. Oh, put it down now. Come see. Come see. Oh, Daddy.
Oh,
Daddy's gonna be more.
Henry, can you go over? Thank you, Grandpa. Dad. Henry.
Oh my gosh. This is like goodness.
Henry, go look at the paper, buddy. Thank you, Dad. You can't see, but Henry's grabbing at the camera right now. That's shaking. That's Henry.
The other one.
Henry, go open your present now. Thank you very much, Dad. Lisa will appreciate that, so she doesn't have to be lugging heaters around like this.
Oh, come here, Henry.
Henry, you got to take him over. Lisa.